In a world where financial inequality is prevalent, it's essential to explore what makes some people wealthy while others struggle financially. Wealth creation is often less about luck and more about habits, mindset, and choices. Successful individuals tend to follow specific strategies and behaviors that foster financial security, while the poor often overlook or remain unaware of these practices. In this video, we will delve into 10 key things the rich do that the poor don't, habits that play a significant role in building long-term wealth. By adopting these habits and changing your approach, you can potentially take control of your financial future and break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Number 1. Rich people focus on assets. Many individuals believe that higher income is the key to financial freedom. While earning more helps, the wealthy know that building assets is the path to true wealth. Assets are things that generate passive income, like stocks, real estate, or businesses, even when you are not actively working. The poor typically focus on their salary and are stuck in the cycle of spending it on liabilities such as cars, expensive gadgets, and credit card debt. The rich invest their income in assets that appreciate over time, such as rental properties, mutual funds, and dividend-paying stocks. Their focus is not on how much they make in a month, but how much wealth their assets can generate in the future. A rich person may use part of their paycheck to buy stocks or real estate, whereas a poor person might use it to buy a new TV or expensive phone on credit. Number 2. The rich live below their means. A significant habit that differentiates the rich from the poor is living below their means. Many people assume that wealthy individuals live extravagant lifestyles, but in reality, most self-made millionaires maintain a frugal lifestyle. The poor often spend beyond their means, trying to keep up with trends or status symbols. They rack up credit card debt and struggle to maintain a lifestyle they cannot afford. Wealthy individuals spend less than they earn and save the difference. They delay gratification, preferring to invest money now to enjoy a more stable and luxurious lifestyle in the future. A millionaire might still drive a 10-year-old car, while someone earning a modest salary might finance a luxury vehicle to appear wealthier. Number 3. The rich invest money. While saving money is essential, the rich understand that saving alone isn't enough to grow wealth. Inflation erodes the value of savings over time. That's why the wealthy invest their money in ways that generate returns, whether through stocks, businesses, or real estate. The poor tend to keep their money in savings accounts or cash, which offers minimal growth. The wealthy actively invest in markets or other ventures, ensuring their money works for them over time. They understand the importance of compounding interest, where returns are reinvested, creating exponential wealth growth. Instead of holding $10,000 in savings, the rich might invest it in stocks that grow 10% annually, turning it into $25,937 in 10 years. Number 4. Rich people have multiple income streams. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income, including passive income sources like rental properties, dividends, royalties, or online businesses. This diversification ensures that even if one stream dries up, other sources can sustain them. The poor often rely on a single source of income, such as a job, which leaves them financially vulnerable. If they lose that job, they risk running out of money quickly. Wealthy people diversify their income sources, spreading risk across several ventures or assets. A rich individual might have a full-time business, a stock portfolio, rental income, and dividends, while someone else only relies on their salary from a 9-to-5 job. Number 5. The rich prioritize financial education. Financial literacy plays a crucial role in wealth building. The rich continuously educate themselves about money. They read books, attend seminars, consult financial advisors, and learn about investments, taxes, and personal finance. The poor often avoid financial education, believing it's too complex or boring. Without understanding how money works, they are more likely to make poor financial decisions and fall prey to debt traps. Wealthy individuals understand concepts like tax optimization, good debt vs. bad debt, and the importance of diversification. A wealthy individual might take a course on investing, while a poor person might focus only on immediate entertainment or expenses without learning to manage money better. Number 6. Rich people network strategically. Wealthy people understand the importance of building valuable networks. They intentionally connect with other successful individuals who can provide insights, partnerships, or business opportunities. Their networks become a source of knowledge and growth. The poor often focus on socializing for fun, without considering how their network can influence their financial success. The wealthy nurture relationships with people who can offer guidance, mentorship, or collaboration on wealth-building activities. A rich person might attend a conference to meet investors, while a poor person may spend the same weekend at a party with no long-term gain. Number 7. The rich take calculated risks. Wealth is rarely built by playing it safe. The rich understand that taking calculated risks is essential for growth. They conduct research, assess potential rewards, and take action despite uncertainty. The poor tend to avoid risks, preferring financial security over growth. Unfortunately, this fear of risk keeps them from exploring opportunities that could increase their wealth. The wealthy embrace risk wisely, knowing that failure is part of the journey to success. A wealthy individual might start a side business or invest in stocks, while a poor person avoids it altogether, fearing losses. Number 8. Rich people value time. The wealthy know that time is a non-renewable resource and treat it with care. They focus on productivity, delegate tasks, and avoid activities that don't add value to their lives or businesses. The poor often waste time on entertainment, social media, or unproductive habits without realizing the opportunity cost of these activities. Wealthy individuals use their time strategically, prioritizing tasks that generate income or improve their skills. A rich person might spend their free time learning about investments, while a poor person might binge-watch TV shows for hours. Number 9. The rich have long-term goals. One of the most significant differences between the rich and the poor is their perspective on time and goals. The wealthy plan for the long term, setting goals for 5, 10, or even 20 years into the future. They understand that wealth is built over time. The poor often focus on short-term gratification, spending money on things that provide immediate pleasure but no long-term benefit. Wealthy individuals are patient, delaying luxury purchases until they can comfortably afford them without affecting their financial future. A rich person might save for 5 years to buy a house, while a poor person might use credit to buy the latest smartphone immediately. Number 10. The rich manage debt wisely. Not all debt is bad, but the rich know how to use debt to their advantage. They take on good debt such as mortgages for rental properties or business loans that help them build wealth. They also pay off high-interest debts quickly to avoid financial strain. The poor often accumulate bad debt by using credit cards for unnecessary purchases, falling into cycles of high-interest payments. The wealthy strategically use debt to generate more income and avoid borrowing for liabilities. A wealthy individual might take a loan to invest in real estate, while a poor person might use a credit card to finance a vacation. The difference between being rich and poor is not always about the amount of money you start with, but rather the habits and decisions you make along the way. The wealthy build assets, live below their means, invest their money, and have multiple streams of income. They focus on financial education, take calculated risks, and value their time and networks. Most importantly, they think long-term and manage debt wisely. Breaking out of financial hardship requires adopting these habits and shifting your mindset toward wealth building. It's never too late to start. Small changes in your approach to money, time, and goals can lead to significant financial improvements over time. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.